Milpet Mineral Oils. As Mil Mineral Oil Petroleum Products, we serve in our production facility in Gebze with our experience of more than 10 years. In our facility, with a closed area of 5,500 square meters and an open area of 4,500 square meters with a capacity of 74,887 tons, we always operate with our respectful and sensitive perspective towards the environment. In our laboratories, equipped with advanced technology devices that perform product analysis and meet the demands of our customers, we carry out all examinations with our expert R&D team and bring our high-performance products to customers. With our steps towards expanding our global network, we continue our production uninterruptedly with our dealer network in 70 cities in the domestic market and with sustainable exports to 28 countries in the international market. In our establishment, where we serve with ISO 9001, 14001, 18001 certificates, we complete our production with more than 100 product types according to the international standards. As Milpet, we focus on production with our understanding that prioritizes quality. In our production facility, we also produce 98% of the motor and industrial oil products of other domestic and foreign brands, produced all over the world at the same quality. We take great pride in presenting the products we produce to our people at more affordable prices, 100% locally and nationally. We participate in domestic and international fairs in order to contribute to the national economy and present our products to the world market. As Milpet, we direct our future and add value to our country with the importance we attach to exports on the basis of trust, experience, and quality. Milpet, the best local.